Today we're going to be installing one of these Motion Raceworks billet breathers to a valve cover. I will show you how to do it. This is how it comes packaged. You have the breather and a drill template. These are your baffles. And it comes with the screws and the O-ring. And all you do is take this template and put on your valve cover and drill the appropriate drill bit size to that size. Anyways, this is where on my valve cover I'm going to have it. This is on the inside. I put the template here and I marked it off with a pencil. I know where to drill and cut. And here's what it looks like. I got it close enough. That's close enough for me. They do line up. It's just how it looks on camera, but that's close enough and it will work. Now it comes with, you see, it comes with all the screws you need. I'm going to use this baffle and this one on the inside as well. Here it is installed. And this will go to my catch can in the back there, but I forgot to order the correct fitting. My bad on that, so I'll do that next time. I didn't have time before the race. So we raced all day Saturday morning. Drove 350 miles round trip to the firm up in Starkey, Florida, and it didn't leak, and I didn't have any leaks running. And the reason why I installed this is because most autocross, the second gear runs high revs, and I had oil coming out of the cap after a couple of runs. Now it can breathe, and I got no more oil coming out anywhere. I tried different things before that, but I saw this coming on the market from Motion Raceworks, and it's easy to install and it works great. And once I get another fitting, I'm gonna go out here and get a 90 and come out this way, and then run the hose around. It doesn't cover up the Mazda 12 valves here. Look a little nicer. So we're gonna do that later. This stuff is not cheap, these fittings. So we're gonna wait a little bit. You know, it's a budget race car. We got racing coming up, and I use my money towards that right now. And we'll get these fittings later.